Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm very excited to take you along with me on another unforgettable adventure. We are headed to BALER, AURORA. So buckle up and get ready for an epic journey. Good morning, guys. It's currently 11 o'clock a.m. now and we are about to go out for lunch. So tara, samahan niyo kami. Kasaluntian is a popular local eatery when you are in BALER. They offer Filipino food with an authentic local experience where dishes are served on top of banana leaves or coconut bowls. A crowd favorite is the pako or fiddlehead fern salad. Perfect side dish to another highly recommended dish, wapang-wapang na liempo. Hi guys, we're done ordering our food for lunch and as you can see, meron na kaming table. The setup here is parang very provincial-like where naka-in din sit kain, kakain ka na nakamay. Nakakamay. Done with our lunch. We are heading back now to the resort. I should say, ang sarap ng pagkain, worth the wait talaga. So, I strongly suggest na kung mag-visit kayo sa Kasaluntian, medyo agahan nyo because napupuno talaga siya, especially during lunchtime. So, we arrive around 11 o'clock a.m. and na-serve yung food namin mga after 45 minutes. So, again, affordable siya. Masarap yung mga na-order namin, dinakdakan, walang-walang, and walang-walang, and it's walang-walang, diba? Wapang-wapang, sorry. Wapang-wapang, iyempo yun. And then, dinangdangan. Okay? Not chicken. So, parang cheesy chicken siya. You should try it too. And, so there, I strongly suggest na i-visit nyo si Kasaluntian when you are here in BALER. See you later! Hey guys! Nakapagbanlaw na kami and it's 7:30 p.m. Naglalakad kami outside to walk dun sa area ng mga restaurants para we can have na our dinner. guys! So we're back at our hotel. Inabot kami ng ulan kanina. But then, shout out to Kuya Team of Kubli Restaurant. Thank you for helping us find or get yung grab trike namin para makauwi kami nang hindi kami nababasa. So the restaurant is around 250 meters away lang. Pero since ang lakas talaga ng patak ng ulan, nag-grab trike na lang kami. Okay, just a quick review for what we had kaninang dinner. We ordered gising-gising, lechon tofu, and pork and chicken skewers. I really like yung pork skewers nila, but yung friends ko, mas nagustuhan nila yung combination ng gising-gising plus the lechon. In terms of rate, very affordable. The area is also air-conditioned. So for those of you na gustong medyo malamig habang kumakain, I suggest you visit Kubli Restaurant because most of the other restaurants around, hindi talaga siya air-conditioned. So, that's it for today. We are going to drink in a while, enjoy the night, and see you guys again tomorrow.
Got a sleeping bag, we'll take the pillows too. We'll drive like we're mad, we will tear down the windows and fly through the highways. Land on the beach, watch the moon chase the sun away. We'll share a bottle of something expensive. All of the flavor will be lost on the likes of us.
Good morning, guys! So, nakapagbanlaw na kami and we're just walking outside to check yung mga restaurants where we can have our brunch. So, high tide na, ang dami nang nagsasurf outside. Ang lalaki ng alon. Kasi sabi nila may low pressure area. So, tomorrow, it's expected na mas malaki pa yung waves. Done with lunch. We ate brunch. Actually, brunch pa lang siya. At Baywalk restaurant. Few meters away lang from where we are staying. Medyo mainit because it's already 11 o'clock a.m. na. But yeah, nag-enjoy kami with the pakoy. Anong
Pakoy.
Pakoy. It's pako with okoy. Must try. Para siyang fried pako na may vinegar. So, we also ordered seafood pancit canton and tinapay. And of course, fruit shakes.